Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play harmonica like a pro. Begin by seating yourself comfortably and holding the harmonica gently between your lips. Focus on steady diaphragmatic breathing and relaxed facial muscles. Practice single notes slowly until each sounds clear and consistent. Work on tongue blocking and hand cupping to shape tone and add vibrato. Keep short daily sessions rather than long sporadic ones to build skill steadily. In this video, I will show how to play harmonica like a pro. Start with single note control using tongue blocking and a calm breath. Move into gentle draw bends, paying attention to pitch and comfort. Add hand cupping to create vibrato and vary volume for musical expression. Use a metronome to lock in rhythm and build timing. Repeat short exercises daily and track small improvements to stay motivated and improve faster. In this video, I will show how to play harmonica like a pro. Set a practice plan with warm-ups, technique drills, and a short song each day. Keep sessions focused to 15 to 30 minutes to maintain concentration and avoid strain. Rotate exercises between single notes, bends, and rhythmic patterns to build versatility. Record a quick clip once a week to spot mistakes and celebrate gains, then adjust practice based on those recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.